Hello, students. Today we are talking about one important topic, that is codominance and ABO blood groups. Here, one more term, that is multiple allelism, will also reflect. So, there are too many details given in the textbook. I'll try to summarize it for you. Now, we learn about dominance. Dominance means one parent trait is visible. Incomplete dominance, intermediate trait is visible. But when we talk about codominance, both alleles express themselves equally and fully in the heterozygous condition. If you have this condition, capital T, small t, both these alleles express themselves equally. It's not like this T is dominant and this is recessive. You can see it in ABO blood groups. This example is in ABO blood group systems. Now, you know that there are three alleles which are responsible for blood grouping. The gene that controls blood groups is gene I, and alleles are IA, IB, and small I. These are the three alleles for the blood groups. So, in a population of human beings, you have all these three alleles. In a population, I'm talking about, but in an individual, you have only two alleles. Just remember this thing. Now, what is this IA? IA, it produces sugar A. Sugar A. IB, it produces sugar B. And small I, it does not produce any sugar, no sugar. So if you have an RBC, this is an RBC, you should have sugar A on it, or sugar B or B on it, or no sugar, zero sugar. So some people, they have both. They have an RBC where both blood group, sorry, this sugar A and B is present. So this will be represented as a blood group AB. Now, if we talk about the dominant pattern of these genes, these alleles, you know that IA is dominant over small I. IB is also dominant over small I. So small I is a recessive allele, and IB and IA, they are dominant alleles. But IA and IB together, if they are together, they show codominance. Both alleles are actually expressed equally. Now, when we talk about genotype and blood groups, if parent 1 is giving IA, parent 2 is also given IA, then the genotype of the offspring will be IA and blood group will be A. And if parent 1 is giving A, IA, then parent 2 is giving B, then blood group will be AB. And genotype will be IB. Same if it is IA in parent 1 and parent B is having small I, that means this A will dominate over I. So blood group will be A. And genotype will be IA, IB. If both are there, B and A, then there will be codominance. Both will express themselves. So this is actually example of codominance. Then IB, blood group will be B. IB, small I, blood group will be B. For blood group to be O, so we should have I, small I, both the small i's. So blood group will be O. Now, if it asked you how many genotypes are there, genotypes are four: blood group A, AB, and O. B and O. These four. Rest is repeated, like this is A, this is AB, same thing. So genotypes, so phenotypes are four. How many genotypes are there? Genotypes are six. One, two, three. Then you have this four, five, and six. Six genotypes are there. Important concept about this particular topic is multiple allelism also, because you have three alleles which are here. More than two alleles exist in a population in this case, but only two alleles occur in one individual. Just remember this thing. Now, dominance is not a fixed property of a gene. It depends on the gene product. It depends on the trait we observe. For example, if we talk about pea seed shape, B allele, let us say capital B allele, it produces efficient starch. The seeds will be round. And small b allele, if we talk about, let us say it produces less starch and the seeds will be wrinkled. So seed shape shows dominance, but starch grain size here shows incomplete dominance. So in conclusion, when we talk about codominance, both alleles are expressed. Like ABO blood groups is the best example. In dominance, like dominance, it depends on the phenotype chosen. So these are the important things that are actually related to the codominance. I hope you understood this topic. There are too many details given in the textbook. So if you just watch this video one or two times, then the concept will be clear to you. Thank you.